Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. And as you already read the title, so it's about my new device, my new gadget, which is GoPro. Yes, so I finally have got my GoPro, and that is Hero 9. So as you can see, so this thing I have ordered from Flipkart India. So as you see here is a badging of their official sticker. It says GoPro official product India. This is Hero 9 Black. Some specifications, and I had ordered the bundle pack, which I got a very good discount on Flipkart. So yeah, so this is the front side. Here also it says what is included in the bundle pack, short images so that one can easily understand and get to know. And this also have the carry case, which is this one. You guys will be able to see when I open it. On the top it says it gives the pictures of the accessories included. On the bottom hand side we can see some barcode scanners. On the left hand side again we see some specifications, and this is a 1-year warranty. Also we can see in the back. So this is how is it. Okay, so let's open and stop. Hello guys, so after I open the plastic, remove the plastic cover, so this is how it looks. This is the box. It's like a piece of cardboard, because I have the bag which you can see here, the carrying case of the GoPro, because this is just a bundle pack. Okay, so I just has removed the plastic cover, and now let me tear this up. So you can see the arrow mark. It seems we have to open it from here. It's a nice process, and this is my first GoPro, so I have never used any GoPro and I've never unboxed any, so this is my first time. So this is how we open the box, and we get the box case. So here is it, the GoPro branding on the carrying case. I have read somewhere in the internet like this is a waterproof. Actually not waterproof, I must say it's a spill proof case, so your GoPro is safe if you have it. But anyways, if you have a water repellent carry bag, that will be more good. So ta-da! Finally my GoPro, my first GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this is what you get in the with it. That comes a bundle. Here is the micro SD card. Here we get some paperworks like how to attach and how to use, subscription to GoPro, might be a user manual, and this is, I showed you that this is a memory card reader. So this is the handy grip that way you can attach. It's a foam based, it's very grippy, very soft. It's a good one, and I love the color as well, so it's a good one to use. Next we have some attached strap. So yeah, this is also have a GoPro branding. Here it has a, oh, it's very hard, you know. nice one. Here we have two batteries. I heard that these batteries of GoPro Hero 9 is a little bit large than previously what we used to get. So here I have two batteries, because one is the actual battery that comes with the GoPro 9 and the one is for the bundle pack, which is a spare battery. Next is we have a USB-C to USB-A cable that can be used for charging as well as, I believe, data transfer. We have some mounting options, and here are the another GoPro mount option, two screws to attach, only one adhesive stick gum type where you can attach this, and that's all from the box. So now comes the main thing. Ta-da! Here is the GoPro 9 Black. It looks awesome. I haven't ordered any accessories, like extra accessories to protection as well as media mount type of accessories. Maybe I will get those later. So this is how it is. Hero 9 Black, it's super. Let me put on the batteries and I will update you guys on my first. I'll show you guys the booting time as well in the next video. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding GoPro India, you can ask me in the comment section. And this is, again, I will say, like, this is the bundle pack that I have got from Flipkart, so you guys can check it out. I think the only reason I have went for bundle pack because of that extra battery. So if you guys only order this GoPro, so you will be getting only one battery, and all of these accessories you will be not getting. Even the memory card will not be included in that. So that's why if you purchase it separately, the cost will be around almost same. But I believe the bundle pack comes as a severe little bit of discount I got. Yeah, so that's all from today. Be safe, take care, see you all in the next video. Till then, bye.